Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc, and I am back with part 2 of my last video. If you saw part 1, you know I created these Christmas nails using dollar press-on nails from Shein and dollar nail stickers from Shein. So this is part 2, and we are about to apply this bomb Christmas nail set. So let's get into it. Okay, so first what we are going to do is do a little nail prep. I am just taking the nail file that came with the press-on nails, and I'm gently buffing the shine from the top of my natural nail so that the nail glue will stick better to my nails and my nails will last longer. And that's how it should look after you have shaved off that shiny top layer of your nails. So now I am just about to go in and do the same thing to the rest of my fingers. And this is how your nails will look after you finish knocking that shiny layer from the top of your natural nails. And then you just dust them off a little bit, and now we can get on into these nails. You can apply a nail dehydrator and a nail primer as your next step of nail prep of your natural nails, but I'm not going to do that in this video. But I do have other videos where I go a little further into the prep, but I'm not going to have this set on for too many days, so I want to make sure that they come off easily when I'm ready to take them off, because I got to keep cranking out this Nailmas and Vlogmas content for y'all. But back to the tutorial. So I went ahead and shaved that shiny layer from my right hand nails as well, and now next I'm going to apply a peel off base coat. This helps my nails come off easier when I'm ready to take them off if I have this peel off base coat. It really makes the removal of the press-on nails so much easier, and it helps to prevent damage to your natural nails. So I got this nail glue from Shein as well, and this is what we're going to be using to apply these nails. Now, since I have this peel off base coat on, it's kind of hard to see the glue when I'm applying it, so I make sure I put a nice bubble of glue in the center of the nail so that I can see it, and then I just spread that bubble of glue all over my natural nail. And now I am going to line the press-on nail up with my cuticle, and we are going to gently press down, and once that nail is where it needs to be, we are just going to hold it in place for 30 seconds. And after about 15 seconds, I do also hold down the center of the nail and the side walls as well, because you want to make sure you have complete coverage of your natural nail with that glue. You don't want the center of the nail to be stuck on really good and then your side walls are loose. So just make sure you're pressing down really good all over your natural nail. So I've applied the glue already onto my next finger, and now I am just going to line that press-on nail up with the cuticle area, and I'm going to press down and hold for 30 seconds. And then after a few seconds, I'm switching to holding down the side walls and also making sure I hit that center of the nail with some pressure as well, so our nail comes out looking perfect. And I am loving how these nails are turning out so far. If you are loving how these nails are coming out so far, drop a red heart emoji in the comments and let me know. I really do want to hear y'all feedback. Even if you don't like these, it's fine. I mean, everybody has their own opinion, and I don't take nothing to heart, but drop a comment and let me know if you are loving these nails, and if you think I did a good job, let me know. If you think I could have did them a little bit different, let me know. All feedback is appreciated. And plus, when you guys comment, that helps my video. So look out for your girl. Drop your girl a comment. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. And if you are new here and you are watching this video, go ahead and subscribe. What you waiting for? You are going to love it here. Okay, so we got all the nails on, and this is what they are looking like, and the set is looking so cute. But of course we have to shape these tips up, and I'm just using the nail file that came with the nails to do that. That little nail file be doing what needs to be done, okay? Don't underestimate it, because it be doing its job. Press-on nails tend to have that little extra piece at the tip, and that little nail file files it right off and shapes them really well. So the next thing we are going to do is add a base coat on all the nails, and the base coat is basically a layer for the top coat to stick to. And ever since I've been doing this, my top coat does not chip, it doesn't peel off. Sometimes when you apply a top coat without a base coat, the top coat can peel off of your press-on nails because it needs a tacky layer to stick to, and you're going to apply it nice and evenly all over your nails. And then you're going to grab a full power UV LED nail lamp and set it for 60 seconds and cure that base coat for 60 seconds. I did the same thing on my right hand, and now it's time to apply that good old top coat. This base coat and top coat is so good. They work so well together. I got it on Shein as well, and everything will be linked in the description of this video, so don't even trip. I got y'all. And when I'm applying my top coat, I like to start at the cuticle of the nail first and then work my brush down because I want it to be a nice even layer. So I start from the cuticle and kind of dab it around the cuticle first, and then I work that brush down, making sure I'm going all the way to the tips of the nails and making sure I cover those side walls as well. And then we're gonna set our UV lamp for 60 seconds and cure that top coat. And I did the same exact thing to my left hand, making sure I start from the cuticle and then work the brush down all the way to the tips and side walls. Cured it for 60 seconds under my UV nail lamp, which will also be linked in the description of this video. And boom, last thing we need to do is apply our cuticle oil. I got this cuticle oil on Temu, and I'll make sure I link it in the description as well. It is a really good cuticle oil. It definitely gives my cuticles hydration and shine. And this is the finished look of the nails. They came out so bomb. You cannot tell me it don't look like I got these done at the nail shop. And look how thick the nails are compared to how they were in the beginning of the video. So applying that base coat layer, and then also I applied 2 layers of top coat just to give the nails some thickness and security. And that nail glue is immaculate. It works so good. The nails are very sturdy. They do not feel like they are going to pop off anytime soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I loved doing it. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. I appreciate you guys so much. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to everybody that's been with me for a while and from the beginning. I truly appreciate you guys for just showing my channel love and watching my videos. That really helps me out to grow as a creator, and it helps my channel to grow as well. Be sure to check the links in the description of this video for everything I used to slay these nails, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.